Here is wishing you all a very, very, very happy new year. We're going to be starting off 2025 with none other than XLM. How am I feeling about XLM right here on this pullback that everyone seems to be super spooked out about? Well, I'm still feeling good. Literally everything remains status quo. Am I still bullish on this entire market cycle as it is right now? Yes, I am. Trends don't move up in a straight line, albeit, yes, XLM and XRP didn't plead the case too well. It got everyone super spoiled. But trends, guys, trends move up like this, ebb and flow of price action. And what I believe is happening is this right here, where the trend is taking that pullback, and as traders, it is up to us to capitalize on those trades. But before I get into that, I have something very important to tell you guys today. Every single year, Mango has a word of the year. And at Mango, we try to stay as true as possible to the word of the year. And it has played out so well, because over the past 2 years, guys, the word of the year has kept us in some of the most profitable trades in the space. Sean posted this heartfelt message in the Discord chat. This message right here is going to help you. Now understand this, you people looking at XLM right here, you're looking to turn a profit. Everyone outside of this community will likely remain complacent and repeat those same mistakes this year. It's your job to identify when those mistakes show up on the chart and capitalize on them. Now, the Mango word of the year in 2023 was discipline. That's when we actually saw a turn in the market from 15K all the way up to 30K, but people were getting spooked out. A lot of people still let go of their bags. But that word of the year, discipline, is what helped us stay disciplined with our invalidation points. While prices did pull back, we were never really invalidated on our trend. Now, because we stayed disciplined, we've managed to hold Bitcoin through the entirety of the bull run so far, from 15K all the way up to where price is at right now at $95,000. Now, in 2024, the word of the year was focus. And that word focus kept us primarily invested in Bitcoin. We laser focused on our positions, and turned out Bitcoin was the apex asset throughout much of 2024. Yeah, XLM did shine, XRP did shine, but Bitcoin dominated much of 2024. The word focus allowed us to resist the temptation to over-allocate to the altcoins. Now, in the next couple of days, Sean is going to be revealing the word of the year for 2025, and so far he's got all the macro calls right. He's got all the cycle plays right, on the freaking money. If you're not in the Discord chat, join the Discord chat. For those of you in the Mango Seed program, today is the mastermind call. This is the live session where we all drop alpha. Today, Sean is going to be taking the stage. So make sure to be there. Right now is the time to laser focus and lock in, because this is the time where the money is made. For those of you who are in the seed program but don't have access to the chat just yet, just PM me or Sean and we'll get you in that mastermind call. Now, speaking of alpha, what's going on XLM? Well, honestly, guys, XLM still looks really good. Like I said, what we're likely seeing here is an intermediate pullback in a macro uptrend. Now, the last time we spoke about XLM, I gave you guys this red box territory as the bid opportunity. Now, this was hinged primarily on the daily dynamic indicator. Switch on the dynamic indicator, and that's where we use it. Make the dynamic your friend, because it's always going to show you the trades worth having on the chart. The trades that are going to be super easy for you to manage. Because ultimately, as traders, what do we want to know? If we're right on the trade or if we're wrong on the trade. It's going to help us with both. Now, we got a clear break of that dynamic support. Prices came back to give us a retest. It's on the retest that you exit those trades, okay? And then you position lower. Now, what happened on XLM is that, yeah, it drew back a lot more, okay? It drew back another 23%. But you see this zone right here? This was actually a tap on a macro level, on a cyclical indicator, okay? Now, these don't happen too often in cycles. Whenever you get a retest of a cyclical indicator, a cyclical level, take the trade. Just take the trade. Because number one, they're very rare, and managing the rare ones are just like easy sauce, okay? Now let me show you what it tapped here. If I take you on over to the weekly time frame, it actually tapped the weekly dynamic support. Now, why is the weekly dynamic so important? What makes the weekly dynamic the cyclical indicator that we all should be looking at? Well, let me zoom out. This was the bull market of 2020 to 2021, lasted 1 year. Every single tap of the weekly dynamic support, irrespective of which tap you caught your bid on, played out so well. You caught an amazing bid on every single tap because with every bid, guys, prices rallied. On the first tap, prices rallied 81%. On the second tap, prices rallied 194%. On the third tap, prices rallied a good 372%. On the fourth tap, prices rallied another 111%. On the fifth tap, prices rallied a good 105%. So we pretty much caught the same opportunity right here on this most recent test, which is why this was actually a critical bounce for XLM. The system still holds strong. Now, for those of you who want the levels on the dynamic support, it comes in from around 27 cents going all the way up to 31 cents. For those of you who have big positions on XLM and you want access to the dynamic indicator, you'll find it on the mango.market/dynamic. Christmas coupon is still running for the next 2 days or so, so take advantage of that. You can use it towards the dynamic indicator as well as the mango programs as well, like the seed program. The Christmas code is Xmas 2024. As far as the next bid opportunity is concerned, what is the next bid opportunity? Can we actually get another retest of that weekly dynamic support? I mean, that would be super generous, right? I'll say this, I think we could see another minor pullback on XLM. This is primarily owing to we are up against weekly resistance right here. Okay, this comes in at around 40 cents. You can see that this entire region right here, when prices did get up there, we actually got rejected by the bears. The bears took it down even further. Right here too, this was the breakdown point for XLM that basically propelled us from bull market to bear market. So this is a critical point. And you can see that this candle right here just started, so we have not reclaimed 40 cents just yet. A candle only reclaims a level once we close over that level. One better, two closes over that level is a confirmation. In fact, the trends on the Mango dashboard is also telling us that we could see a pullback on XLM right now. 4 hour currently long, so bullish. So if you manage to catch that trade, then great for you. You're up a good 13% on that trade. Volatility, however, hovering at 94. Every time I see volatility expand to these high red numbers, I often look for that next pullback opportunity on the chart. It's telling me that the bulls might be getting tired. On the 4 hour time frame, we actually had a breakout of a W-like formation. This was the breakout right here. And right now, this chart looks like it wants to come back in to give that breakout an official test. And what we want to capture here is the next higher low on XLM's chart. Now, if I go ahead and turn on the Ichimoku cloud, we actually have the top of the cloud coming in right here, along with the 40-cent region, which is also the neckline of the W-like formation. It is also that critical region of resistance, now trying to flip it into support at 40 cents. So the next best bid opportunity, in my opinion, on XLM's chart is going to come in right here from 40 cents going all the way down to 38 cents. All right, 38 cents. How am I getting that? Well, I'm looking at the Tenkin and the Kijun swinging in right there. They're sort of overlapping on each other as far as the Ichimoku levels are concerned. So that, in my opinion, is going to be the next bid opportunity and likely the next higher low on this minor trend. The target to this most immediate play that I'm seeing on XLM's chart, guys, takes us back up to 54 cents. From the bid zone to 54 cents, that's going to be a good 32% on this swing trade alone. Now, for those of you looking to capture this trade, but you're still looking for a good exchange, well then check out BitUnix. There is no KYC, there is no country restriction, so irrespective of where you are, you can actually put on the trade on the exchange. And if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in bonuses, which you can use towards your trading fees, putting on new positions, as well as practice your leverage trading with it. These bonuses are a phenomenon of the crypto world. Okay, you don't see them too often, so when you do see them, take advantage of them. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like. For those of you in the Mango Seed program, I will now see you in the mastermind call. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the Mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.